Welcome to Lantaw TV. Today I will teach you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription properly, so you can avoid automatic charges on your billing and stop unwanted payments. There are two ways or options to do this. I'll show you the easiest method step by step. If you subscribed via the ChatGPT website, go to ChatGPT and log into your account. Click on your profile name or icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. Click on Account or Workspace Settings if you have a business account in the sidebar. Under your plan details, click the Manage button. Select Cancel Subscription and follow any final confirmation prompts to finalize the cancellation. Now, if you subscribe via Android or Google Play handles your billing for the Android app. Simply open the Google Play Store app or your web browser. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then select Subscriptions. Select ChatGPT from the list and tap Cancel Subscription. That's it, everyone. Simple, fast, and works 100%. Always remember to check your subscriptions so you don't pay for something you no longer use. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Lantaw TV for more helpful tutorials, tips, and guides. See you on our next video. Maraming salamat po.